Today we're going to be working on leader stats. Leader stats are leaderboards. Just delete all of these. Add in a spawn point. So firstly we'll add in a script. We'll insert the script to the plus sign script. You can store this script anywhere, but I would rather put it into the server script service as it's much more organized. Rename it to leader stats. And we open the script, double click. Delete hello world. And so leader stats is a folder that we are going to be attaching to a player. So we get the player service, which is dot players, the player service dot player added. That's when a player gets added. Connect, and we connect it with a function. And within that function parameter, we will use player. Okay. So just like what I said, we first need a folder for the player, and this function will run every time a player is added, so you do not need to loop it or anything. Local leader stats folder. Leader stats, we are making a new variable to store which is equals to instance.new. That's how we make a new folder through a script folder. And the parent of the folder will be the player, as we want to attach the folder to the player. You need to make sure you give the folder's name is called leaderstats. As Roblox will then know how to handle it. Roblox will sense that it is a leaderstats folder, and so it will show. Now we can add any kinds of values into the leaderstats folder. If you want to add values into the leaderstats folder, we'll create another new variable called local, let's call this money, equals to instance.new integer value, or int value for short. Money.name equals to money, and we attach this value to the leader stats folder. So now you can also give money a value, which is dot value, let's say 90. Let's test this out. Hit play. If you look up to the top right corner of your screen, we have the leader stats over here. So now we know that's working. Let me show you what I mean by players. If we open up the players, this is our in-game player, not our character. Our character's in the workspace. So in the players, leader stats, this is our leader stats folder, and within it we have the integer value known as money. Now I can change this to anything that I want, so I can increase it to $100, and you can look and see that my money has become $100. So that's how you make leader stats. There's the player service, the player, and the leader stats. So anytime you want to change the player's leader stats, all you need to do is to reference the game dot players or player service dot player, the specific player searching for, the leader stats folder in that player, the money value, and we can have this value. If you have made it this far, comment what types of videos you guys want, like devlogs or specific tutorials. Just leave a comment and I'll look at it.